Carey with DrillFit Training, and I am going to show you all the Svend Press, or the plate press. You want to start with a pretty moderate weight. I just have a 10-pound plate here. This isn't something you want to go really heavy on because we want to keep good control of the movement the entire time. Put your hands on the plate in the middle where your fingers are spread pretty far apart so we can keep good hold of it as we go through the movement. And then you're just going to take the plate and press it straight out in front of you. You want to keep your elbows in as tight as you can so that we can keep that tension on the chest. This is one of those exercises that requires a lot of focus because I could sit here and press this back and forth out all day if I have my elbows out wide to the side, but keeping them in and really pushing the elbows together as you push out. And then again, as you come back to you, it's going to keep the concentration in the muscle. You also, as you go through the movement, don't want to turn your fingers up or too far down to take the tension off. Another good tip is keep the traps down as you go through the exercise. So even if as you push out, you need to just barely lean back slightly to keep the tension, go ahead and do that so we're not overusing the traps and your chest can really work. This is a great exercise to hit those muscles that run really close to the sternum. A lot of people have a hard time hitting. Definitely give this a shot on your next chest day.